Kati nawo atukala nawo yose kufuna mulimo so bidde wano banakuwa mulimo ngofana nawo.
Wano labe wakapande nti bawandika wabatukula be bafuna emirimu. Asikali ngo ino olugezigezi.
Manager huyo. Simanyo.
Wali osana okuteka.
You first come back here. Come back here. First of all,
muna tonge makutonge.
Oyine ebikogerako. Oyine ebikogerako. Oyine nanga muntu. Kati mbunawe banakuwa omulimo. Ngofana wote.
all keep quiet. I am the one leading here, so I don't want noise. You answer when I've questioned, you know so? What is your name?
My name is God.
You've also come for a job?
Yes.
You're a little bit smart, we might employ you, but the other one with the ramshackle hair, I don't think they're going to get the job. I'm the one who's leading here, and you see when the way he's talking, he's pointing. One younger, you see, those people, they lack manners. Do they also come in the same area with you? That is not the manners I want to do. You know very well you want to get an opportunity here to work, be humble, act well. Shave your hair well, dress up smartly. First of all, look at your dressing code. How do you think I'm going to employ you?
You go back to me.
For heaven's sake, how? How do you expect me to employ you? Look at you. You're carrying a small phone. Your hand is up. What is wrong? Hope you're not going to shame us. In fact, right now, I even doubt whether you're going to manage to get the job. Wrong. For your case, you're smart. You're going to manage to get the job. Just wait.
Okay.
For you, what is your name?
I'm Vanessa.
Why are you stammering? You don't even know your name.
I'm Vanessa, that's my name.
You should act well. If in case you really expect to get a job, help me and act well. Otherwise, you might not manage to succeed because I'm the one employing people and I'm the one leading the company. Okay? Cody, you come. I'm taking you to the office, but you come. You see, this is the person who came here early and he's very smart. Okay? See that? We are going, okay? We are going. Just know when you're with me, everything is complete. You know, these things even you'll run out to drive with them. Don't worry. For you when you have me, just know you're going to get the job. Come we go. Come we go. I'm the one telling you. Why should you worry when I'm driving? Yeah? Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. We're going, we're going.
Not be jujubi.
Wow. What is wrong? Just know you're going to get in the job. Someone might think this is a bribe, but just know this is a heartfelt welcome. You see, for your case it is complete. You're a very good man. These are the type of people I want to work with. Also, you people also hurry up.
Yes, seven I give it seven. Mbadde nkyali kuwona inda obudde bungenzeeko nina abantu benninda. Abantu benninda bano abazosaba emirimu be mbadde njagala niyo budde bugenzo bambalike. Ate manager gwe nademba kale. Ddamu nkubi biddakiika 2. Kale. Manager naye gwe twaduuka manager naye ali awo bwatyo.
You know the company is big. I've been moving the outside looking for you, thinking you're in the office.
I've been here. Manager, I don't know what is the time. What is wrong with the time?
I'm sorry, but thank God I found you.
Jebali. Oze kumulimu?
Your manager.
Nida.
She's a good manager.
She's a good man. She has impisa.
She was even the first to arrive here.
Oh.
Just that I delayed.
Thank you. You get a job. You get a job soon.
I told you already.
Where are the others? Where are others?
Come in. Come in.
Hello.
Come in.
Hey. Uyunga taina mpisa gamba hello.
I've told them from the gate, mainly this one. I saw her and I was doubting her there and then. I was already doubting her.
Okay. First come here, manager. See, you stand here. Come and stand here. What is wrong with those people?
The hair.
Tatulina buzibu mukwano gwange.
Musibye mutya.
Not be jujubi.
Manager ye boss wa wange.
Bakate gwe engato chichi, engato lwacho zikutte wange.
Engato zange nati nga ndabe nga ngenda kudduka za sementi wa abandi konze kanzikwate mu ngalo. Ezambali.
I don't know. Me, I'm here. You know where I come from.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
That is the way that you greet people. Ungata ina mpisa. Ungata
You
ina
want to
mpisa.
kneel down. Kneel down. This is a big boss here.
Kneeling for what?
Yogera nyo sikuja.
What's your taste?
Bulungi nyabo. Oli otya? Yes. Bulungi. Oli otya?
Chogamba naffe tufukamira.
Erinnya bakuyitani?
Rachel.
Rachel. Yes, what is your name?
I'm Vanessa, that's my name.
Vanessa, that's your name. Yes, what is your name?
Rihanna.
Rihanna. What is your name?
I'm Chanel.
Chanel. Okay. Thank you for coming. Now manager. Erinnya bakuyitani?
Maina gange mpiti bayisabirye.
Tufudde bannange. Erinnya bakuyitani?
Eryange lyerabira.
Mbadde muze kunoonya mirimu mmwe kubanga wano issues zaabwe sinazitegeera. Now, manager, what you're going to do,
Yes.
you can call me Kabaya.
But this one-
Those people can't understand the language.
But this one.
What do you call it?
This one.
Good manner.
Hey, she has a pizza.
Good
Okay, she will
manner.
get, she will get.
Let me call Kabaya.
So now your behavior.
Yes.
Hey.
Kabaya. Kabaya, you come. Come. Manager is calling you.
I know.
Come.
Okay. Right away.
I told you, your turn will come. You see right now it is the office of the translator working. Mine is complete. See? Manager is calling you. Come, we go. Come, we go.
Shimar.
Manager, I'm talking.
Ani goita small. Ani goita small.
Bangambye.
Nze tokimanyi nti ndi manager wawono. Kabaya ebbanga lyomaze wono. Tokimanyi nti ndi manager wawono.
Okay. Era sirusidayo gwesima.
Niye banna.
Bano bakwita.
Niye banna. Kabaya kati mbale ngenda kwongeza ati zino babulo zirabo. Mulimu ez'abanoonyi emirimu n'ezo ez'abongeza salary. Bengenda okwongerako.
Otegeeza mwendi.
Aha, muwoli ne kati olina okweyisa bulungi. Olaba abaana
Ate
bayingisha.
wompisesize. Alors,
Tokwata!
Let me be the side.
I got your mpewula.
He may be a
Awala.
Okay, kakati tukole bweti. Kabaya nfunyemu obuzibu. Nga bwe nagamba. Nga bwe nagambye wali bwe nakusangira wali. Abantu bajja okugabira okusaba emirimu. Abamu ku abo tebamanyi ki nnimi zaffe. Kati njagala onzifu nina abantu babiri bana bambonyabonyeza.
Obuzibu. Gwe utakkiriza. Naye amagezi nali nkusinga. Kuva tali ku kyalo. Naye kati.
Kabaya. Kakati kola bwoti. Mugwe jangu.
Ono ayagala mulimu.
Onatuse.
Aha. Kakati ono byayogera. Desikola ki? Sibiwulira. Twabiyidde. Njagala jangu ono. Jangu kwatako. Awo.
Baba.
Awo.
Naye
Mbere
andikala.
kuwa. Kabali, musembelero ulire byayogera.
Yogera nnyo. Omuti gwe gusitukira ennyonyi.
Ono omusaadha yankobye.
Ani?
Subscribinga ku Focus TV yange. Bingi